real. Let's get this video on and poppin'. Let's get this video on and poppin'. Cut, comment, and subscribe, share. Let's get right on to the video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeannide. Today I'm going to be doing a chit-chat get ready with me kind of and a tutorial. Because I'm not going nowhere, so I didn't really get ready with me, but we're going to be chitting and chatting. We're going to do a tutorial on this look that I posted on Instagram about a month ago. It was in my story time video. Someone wanted a tutorial for it. And, you know, I mean, I've been getting compliments on it, so I guess it's on and popping, and I might as well make a tutorial for it too. And it's honestly, this tutorial is overdue. This is my 4th time trying to film it. I tried to film it yesterday, and there was some paranormal activity stuff going on in that video. Oh my god. But anywho, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope that you liked this video, enjoyed it. You can share it too if you really want to, so I can post notifications, subscribe, all that good stuff. That shit scared me. I'm about to leave because I'm scared now. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Deuces. God, wait, hold on. And also, the lighting was a little off because I'm like, as of yesterday, I'm trying to like change my filming setup for the better. And I also posted a poll on IG if y'all wanted a tutorial on it. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, you know. But anywho, I posted a poll on IG about a month ago too, and the majority ruled that y'all want a tutorial. So here we go. My goodness, this is like my 4th time trying to film this tutorial, bro. Like, but yeah, I'm trying to like learn how to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand. I think this is a great concealer for like an eyeshadow base, and what you calling that? Eyeshadow primer base, yeah, same thing. And for my eyebrows, I don't feel like it's really that good to like for me to wear underneath my eyes. I feel like it's too light. Like it's really light and it does dry fast. So maybe I should be on medium. If I had like mixed a medium with this, I think it would have been like a perfect shade for like an under eye for me. I feel like it's too light. Honestly, I'm gonna get another primer, like an elf or something, because this is like really, it's not a lot. It's only two-thirds of a fluid ounce. Like, what about how long is this gonna last? No matter what I do. No, let's talk about yesterday though. Yesterday I tried doing this tutorial or whatever. Oh my goodness, I don't know. It just looked really light, not light. It looked like there wasn't enough light in the video, like in my footage. It really didn't look like it. It looked like there was a lot of light. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. It didn't look like there was enough light. I didn't like to focus that much. I'm about to pause this recording right now to see, to like check on everything to see if it's good, because I do not want to like go through these filming complications anymore. I can't believe it's already been 10 minutes. I haven't even finished my eyebrows. I was just talking and talking and talking. I wasn't even doing anything with my face. That's not good. Like, I was just going on and on forever. At least I do have at least I do have eyebrows on my face. Because most of these females, they do their eyebrows because they don't have eyebrows on their face. Like, they don't have eyebrow hairs. They barely have anything on their faces on their eyebrow or whatever. So I was like, no, for real. I was just like, and since all these people are like, oh, you have nice eyebrows throughout my life, like every person I met, they're like, oh, you have nice eyebrows. So it's like, I just thought I didn't need to do them. But apparently I still do need to fill them in. I do not have a dip brow pomade. I do not have a dip brow at all. So I'm going to use a black eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using honestly, I'm going to use only one palette from 3502 palette. Most of my eyeshadows are going to be coming from 35W palette. I'm going to be using one from the BA Cosmetics palette, but I have to use a lot of it. So I'm going to be using this color. Oh shit. How am I holding these palettes, bruh? So I'm going to be using this color from the 35 O2 color palette. I'm using an angled crease brush. It has no name, no number. I got it from wish.com. The link will be down below. Hopefully I remember to put the link down below. And this transition color, I feel like this is a very important transition color. Like, I need this transition color to really pop. And later you're gonna see me like, after every step pretty much I'll be using that same transition color throughout, you know, the rest of this video or whatever. But anywho, I'm gonna be using my fluffy brush. 88 matte, and from the 88 matte eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm going to use this bubblegum pink. I love this shade. I'm going to get a clean brush. I'm going to brush out these edges. So the remaining colors I'll be using from the 35W palette. The darkest purple color. There's so many purples in this palette. I love it. I'm just putting it in the inner and outer corners of my eye. So honestly, throughout these past few weeks, I have been a little self-conscious lately because people are mean. I've been called a Michelin man, a potato head. I do have a potato head though, but people are mean. And I mean, yesterday somebody called me a cow on Instagram, but that person's page was private. Didn't even show themselves in their profile pic, so I don't care for them, honestly. I didn't care for them. Like, really, like, you don't even show what yourself look like, and I probably look better. But anywho, I am pretty. I'm really pretty. Okay? If I lost 70 pounds, I'll be like looking like Beyonce. The red light is flickering! I'm gonna cut my crease because I can't find the color that I'm looking for. And I am using a concealer brush. Okay, anyways, I just need to become more emotionally intelligent and not let people bring me down, honestly. Like, I can't believe I'm still going through this. It's annoying. I'm tired of being bullied. Like, it's really annoying. And I've always honestly was talking about during this clip, y'all don't really see my lips moving, but I was talking about, and while I was talking about the video, I guess it all boiled down to pride for me, because it's like, you know, I've been treated like a lesser person because of what I look like throughout the years. Although I haven't always been like. I'm going to use this lighter purple color to blend out the edges that I cut crease I just made. Yeah, you know, I've actually had some people call me a nobody to my face, like, so, but that's not a good why. It really isn't a good why. So I need to find out a deeper why to keep me motivated. Oh, there's still a little left. But the only source I really have is books though. But yeah, she's gonna keep talking and interrupting me, so I'm gonna have to keep this short. Okay, I'll be using a glitter liner from wish.com, $1, number 5, purple, in the center, like on top of where I put the pink. So now when I look at it, I feel like on this side, I feel like it's not centered where I cut the crease. I feel like it's more centered here, but not here. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to cut my crease a little bit more again to fix that. That always happens because I need that pink in the middle over there too, because I feel like that space isn't big enough. And now it's gonna be centered. It was a little so centered before. Look at this. Before this camera turns off by itself, I'm gonna be using the Ardell Wispies in the number 600 clustered wispies, so y'all know. But in the meantime, and no liner, so I'm gonna keep on putting this on, and I'm gonna return with the rest of my face just in case this thing turns off by itself. I actually do like it when it does mix a little bit though. Yeah, because I want it to like really, I want that outer corner, like the middle, the center to really pop. Okay, this is way better. So now I'm gonna, I guess, put some finishing touches on it. Do I want to deepen the... I guess she did. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. This pink is important though, bro. Like, this is the best transition color for this look. Like, I love it. In the event background black girl tag, I did not use a pink as a transition color. I used like something that was close to my skin tone, like a light brown or something. I think we're pretty much done. I just have to put on lashes and I'll be back with, you know, my outro or whatever. So hello everyone, I am back. Shoot, I feel like taking out some stuff that I was talking about because I feel like I was whining and complaining. Go back to doing what I was doing before. Like, I started out just posting every day, fine. Like, that's what I need to get back to doing, like posting every day, practicing with makeup every day, maybe do a 365 day makeup challenge or something. Like, if not every day, like every other day, like put like some kind of makeup post of a look or something, because I just need to, I need to be annoying with my posts. Like, I wanna post like Anaya Roderick. Like, she, every time I open Instagram, she's like, I always see her. Like, she be posting like 4 times a day. Like, I need to be on that level. Yeah, I use this Makeup Revolution Love Conquers All palette. Oh, this is a pigment and highlighter palette. I didn't know that. I am so late. I thought it was, because online it says it's an eyeshadow palette, but it's actually a makeup pigment highlight palette, which makes sense because this is like a perfect bomb highlighter right here in the center, and that's what I use for my brow bone and my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna add more actually. It's not enough. It really isn't. Ooh, look at that! 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 Look at that inner corner! I'm gonna try a little more, a little harder to put on my cheek. Blend it with the Milani on my cheek. It works well on my nose though. Like, my nose is like super highlighted. But yeah, I also have the Milani highlighter on my cheek. I love this highlighter. Oh my god, it's the Strobe Light Day Glow highlighter. I love it. This is I think this is my favorite highlighter. Like, I love this highlighter. Okay, I gotta blend out them edges though. Yo, that baby's making noise upstairs. Goodness gracious. Yo, I love this. I love the way this came out. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, so I didn't realize that on this eye, like, it wasn't really, where I cut the crease in the center, it wasn't really centered. It was like too much on the left, so I had to pretty much go in with the concealer and make the space larger and actually make it look like it's in the middle, like actually cut the crease in the middle. So I had to do it over again on this eye. Just the crease, I just had to like elongate. Just pretty much what I did on this eye, I did it on this eye. So yeah. So yeah, now this eye looks way better now. Cause I took a photo and it was like, you know. But yeah, now this is popping. Like, I feel like this is good. Coachella's coming up, so this is like a bit, I feel like it looks like prom makeup too though. I feel like it looks like prom makeup, kind of festival makeup. That's why I tried putting the, whatchamacallit, this highlighter on my cheek. I don't know if y'all see it, but I tried putting, I wanted to put more though. Cause I kind of want to look like I want a festival look now, kind of, you know, Coachella coming up. But I don't have all that extra stuff though, I don't. Like the extra jewels for like the face, I don't have all that. I think as a cheek highlighter is not that great. I don't really see it that much. Like, as an inner corner highlight, a brow bone highlight, I used the Vivid Matte Liquid Lippy by Maybelline in Gray Envy on my lips. And in the center, I did use the NYX Lip Lingerie Lippy in Silk Indulgent. Yeah, I need to be about my ish on Instagram and YouTube especially. I need to get back on schedule. I'm gonna try to post another video besides this video this week. I need to really post a video for Saturday at least, and then next week, hopefully, God willing, I need to start posting 3 times a week again, like for real. But give me ideas on what to post, so I'm not just like spending hours of editing and then I post a video and it's barely getting any views. So, cause I remember a few weeks ago, I posted 3 times that week, and those views were like so low, and it's like, what, like, you know. So yeah, just let me know what you want to see. Thanks for the 500 subbies though. We have 500, okay? I do appreciate y'all though, I do. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, share this video, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, thanks for watching.